you all to take a moment with me and imagine a world where the ingredients in your moisturizer didn't kill our coral reefs. You see, the chemical industry, it has a problem. Over 90% of the chemicals in the products you use every day are made with fossil fuels. And oh, that tap water you're drinking. Well, 45% of US tap water is polluted with forever chemicals. But chemicals doesn't have to be a dirty word. Nature makes and uses chemicals every day. And many chemicals save lives. We need a better way to make chemicals. And at Cordelia Biosciences, we found it. Deep beneath the waves on our world's coral reefs. Through the power of AI and our nature-based chemical development process, we're changing the way that we make chemicals. We use ocean microscopic organisms to create sustainable ingredients to replace the harmful chemicals in your everyday products, creating a clean, blue chemical portfolio. Clean chemicals, like Cordelia Cetaphil, our eco-safe preservative ingredient. This preservative will replace many of the harmful preservatives in your cosmetics and personal care products. Cordelia Cetaphil was created by harnessing the power of the coral microbiome. It's a natural antimicrobial that is already a part of our reef ecosystem. Currently, we're at TRL4, so we've tested out our chemicals in the lab and have gotten some pretty good results. We have 5 chemical extracts that we were able to see inhibition of different bacteria and fungus that tend to contaminate your cosmetics and personal care products. And so we decided to test a couple of those extracts in a liquid soap. And we were able to see a reduction in the harmful bacteria and fungal contamination of that liquid soap product. Now, so what makes Cordelia's chemicals better than the others? Well, we create ingredients from nature for nature. Our proprietary nature-based development process mimics nature. So we're able to create our chemicals naturally, allowing us to be more sustainable than a lot of our competition. In fact, our primary waste is seawater. And we never have to go back out into the reef environment to get more microbes. Unlike other chemical companies who often have to harm the environment to get the feedstock for their chemical manufacturing, we use microbes. Imagine the reef blew its nose and gave us a tissue. That's the extent of the impact of our process on the reef environment. Plus, we can freeze our microbes and take them out whenever we want to make more chemicals. Much like the yeast in your sourdough bread, we can keep our microbes forever. Sustainability is in every aspect of what we do at Cordelia. So we're making sure that every chemical we create is both safe for you and the planet by raising the bar on what it means to be truly reef safe with our reef safe testing method. Now, chemicals, they're in everything, from the products you use to the food you eat. The chemical market is huge, $5.7 trillion. But of course, we have to start somewhere. So we're starting at the pretty equally huge, $22.7 billion cosmetic chemical market. And for cosmetic preservatives alone, this market is $590 million. So where are we today? We have our lab here in Florida, but unfortunately not South Florida, we're all the way up north of Alachua, where we've extracted our chemicals and done a lot of our chemical testing for our preservative and also additional chemicals like our natural red dye. We're taking a phased approach to enter the market. So right now we're in what we call our research and development phase, which we're funding through grants, government contracts like our contract with Florida Sea Grant, and also through co-development. We'll ultimately move into our market acceptance phase, where we'll collaborate with other chemical companies who already have their manufacturing and sales stood up and can help us get acceptance within the cosmetics and beauty market. So why do we have all these companies that we can collaborate? We have all these collaborations and all these incredible opportunities because we have a pretty incredible team. My name is Jessica Tittle Nielsen. I'm the co-founder and CEO. I spent over 6 years in the cosmetics industry and additional years in microbiome research and R&D, and I'm also an IP technical expert in chemicals and microbiology patents. I'm joined by my co-founder, Monica Schul, who is an incredible marine genomics expert and a chemistry expert and NSF fellow, and of course, an incredible scuba instructor. We are joined by Mark Bell, who is our VP of Business Development and helps round out our team with his 18 years of sales experience. But one thing I'm really proud of is that in addition to our team, we followed a lot of what Seaworthy stands for and have helped to bring in many other technicians and interns with almost 19 different interns that we've helped mentor over the past year and brought into the blue tech space. We have an incredible board of advisors with decades of experience in cosmetics, biotech, and beauty marketing, and they help us every step of the way. We've done a lot since we started in January 2023, including, of course, winning the Collegiate Ocean Exchange, which you'll see those great pictures tomorrow, bringing in $85,000 in non-dilutive funding. And so where we're going next is to complete some more testing for our preservative ingredient and also scale up to our MVP using hopefully the SBIR that we'll get to fund our MVP development and get our chemical out of our lab and into customer hands. What are we asking from you all today? Well, for one, we'd like for you to collaborate with us. One thing we've learned is that many companies, even in the blue tech space, are trying to be sustainable and create sustainable solutions, but often do not have sustainable chemicals to help them create those solutions. So if you're looking for a sustainable chemical to help your company, come and talk to us, and we might have some opportunities for collaboration. We also want you to educate the public for the need for sustainable chemicals. We don't always think about the chemicals that are in the products that we use every single day. But we need to start thinking about how what we wash down the drain impacts the environment. Of course, we're a startup, non-dilutive funding opportunities, say no more. But the most fun one is to please come diving with us. We want to show you what it's like to be a marine biologist. Monica and I are both marine biologists at the University of Florida, and we would love to take you on some marine experiences and show you what it's like to run the whole marine biology process from start to finish, bioprospecting and everything from there. So we hope you'll join us on this next wave of sustainable chemistry. Blue chemistry from Ocean Micro.